Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 308 in the GT line specification. So this car comes with this lovely panoramic glass roof. There's also 18-inch alloy wheels, full LED headlights, tinted rear windows. There's front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features 3D navigation as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. Some of the other features of this car include speed limit recognition, there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 17,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.